He even invited Putin to a chat. If Putin accepts, hundreds more will join the app. Hi guys, Alina here. Welcome back to Need to Know. While most of us are dragging our feet from the couch to our desks and back again, tech tycoons are in the club. Socially distanced, of course, and not dancing the night away, but let's say debating fiercely on the hottest app right now, Clubhouse. Maybe you heard of it, maybe you're still wrapping your head around the whole Signal WhatsApp business, but no. Clubhouse isn't a 24/7 music live stream with folks jumping up and down in their living rooms. Although, I guess they could actually make that happen. But no, it's the 2020 version of events and conferences. Podcasts on a virtual stage, where you can go from guest to speaker just like that. Like at a stand-up show, when suddenly the joke's on you. Audio only, guys. No video, no photo. Hard to believe it would catch people's attention. I know, considering videos and photos are all we share, like, and save these days. But it did, in a big way actually. Oprah's there, Chris Rock, and the famous Elon Musk, who took advantage of his time on the app. The man revealed how a monkey's playing video games at his Neuralink company, and interviewed Robinhood CEO, playing journalist for a while, and now he even invited Putin to a chat. And what's a shocker is that the Kremlin did not say no. Man, if he accepts, hundreds more will join the app. Hundreds that are on iOS, that is. So far, Clubhouse is only on iOS, although they're working on an Android version too. It's invite only, which actually reminded me of OnePlus's marketing strategy at first. And honestly, every invite-only event ever. The more you can join, the more you want in. It's also free and ad-free. For now at least. That's a nice touch, although, if you ask me, it's not gonna stay like this for long. Why? Well, I'll tell you in a bit. First, I would like to tell you some more about how this app works in case it wasn't on your radar these weeks. So, you get an invite, sign up, and then what? Well, you check some interests, and like every social app out there, it's gonna try to connect you with people and interesting topics. So, Clubhouse will follow people for you that you'd wanna listen to and recommend rooms, aka chats, you'd wanna be in. You can invite around 5 people at first and create your own agenda of the day and the discussions you want to attend. Every chat can also be shared so you can spread the word. Once you're in, you'll see speakers differentiated by mic icons and a list of people they follow so you can grow your Clubhouse network. You'll be a guest and stay as one until you press the hand-raised emoji. That means you want to ask a question. Make it interesting enough and you'll get a chance to sit at the same table as the likes of Elon Musk. Just be sure you want to really be there, you know? Like ask, answer, make jokes, debate, all from your phone. With phone audio quality, by the way. That's important to keep in mind. Like that? Want to do your own? You just have to create a chat on a chosen topic and invite the folks you want to have on your panel. As for listeners, you can choose a handful of friends, all your friends, or make it open to every Clubhouse member. I think there's a limit of 5,000 concurrent members on a room. And remember I told you it's not going to stay free for too long? Well, there's too much monetization potential to keep it as is. I mean, Clubhouse has received a couple major funding rounds and is now valued at $1 billion. That's one thing. The other is that Clubhouse is going to get competition soon, if Facebook has anything to say about it. Plus, rumor is they're already thinking of incentivizing creators with subscriptions, tipping, and ticket sale. I don't believe Clubhouse is going to give everyone the chance to make money from users while they don't. And since they're already at 2 million users or so, expect a premium plan. The other thing Clubhouse said is going to focus on is encryption. Not surprising. I mean, every new social media app right now should see user security as top priority. Like the first thing to ensure is it doesn't want to die out soon. Clubhouse is especially looking into it after Stanford University found vulnerabilities in the system. Audio and metadata from chat rooms was sent to servers hosted in China. Also, Clubhouse ID numbers can be sent in plain text. Where? To Agora, the Chinese company that provides the backend for the app, which, could be called by Chinese authorities to disclose that info if needed be. I know, we are still surprised Chinese companies provide the basics to most of the Western world's tech. I'm not. But coming back to the Agora and Clubhouse, this is the thing. Agora says that if the audio was stored on US servers, there's no way it could be accessed by Chinese government. And anyway, they use the metadata and audio just to monitor the quality of the network and nothing else. Still, many public figures talk freely about everything there, from tech to political issues. Isn't it risky? China definitely thinks so. They blocked the app in the country, leaving no room for discussion. But hey, Clubhouse needs to tighten its security. I mean, with politicians, billionaire, tech and entertainment titans there, it would be foolish not to. Especially since the recipe for the app is so easy and so addictive. We are already audiobook and podcasts fans, so take that concept, make it incredibly easy to access, throw in some big names, a sprinkle of exclusivity, and hey, it becomes absolutely irresistible. So, what do you say? Are you gonna fight for a Clubhouse invite? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to see more videos like this. It really means the world to us. See ya!